I made it. Now I just gotta get up here. I see the building. Oh. Oh look, it's Bigfoot. Do you see it? Do you see it? Do you see it? Look. No? Okay, run me over. Ooh. Okay. The wind is cold. Snow feels like sand blowing in my eyes. Oh shit. Okay, it's windy up here. Ah! Alright, where's the road? My building, my building. My boots got slippery now. I'm going to end up on my behind. Oh, shitballs. Okay, I'll just hang around here. Okay, get out of the giant snowbank. Okay. Whee! Oh. Goodness. I need goggles. My eyes are bleeding. It's going to be scary doing this again tonight at 1:45.